Hello guys, welcome to my payout project tutorial. In this video you will know if this website is a scam. You will know if you can make money here on this website. Can you earn $500 per week? Can you earn $2,000 per month on this website, guys? Okay, but first of all, if you want to get my number one recommendation to make money from home, click the first link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my number one recommendation to make money from home. Let's talk about Payout Project. This is a fake website. You know, when you look at the English drama here, the English spelling, it is not good. You know, all of these fonts that are necessary. So this is a fake. You know, there is no way that a company like this can pay you $5 whenever you refer someone on social media, on Facebook, spamming people on Facebook, or hoping them to sign up on a link. They say that you're gonna earn $5 per sign up. It doesn't make sense, guys. You know, I've been in this industry over 5 years now, so I know companies that are legit. I know companies that are fake. Look at this one. They say that top payout countries, UK, USA, all of these things. This thing is not being verified, so it's not true. It is not true, so I wouldn't even recommend. They say that you're gonna get paid to PayPal. We'll also go to Trustpilot, guys, and see what actually people are saying about this, if they made money or not. People who tried this website, when I go to Trustpilot showing us the only good reviews, guys, only good reviews about what people are actually saying about this company. Just keep watching. So this is a fake website. Look at the way that it's been designed. It is not designed in a good way, you know. I think this website has been designed from India, some of those countries, you know, Pakistan. Let's go look at these reviews, guys. Finally, I am rewarding because Trustpilot does not allow me to use dirty words to your address. You lie to the world to traffic you, but you won't pay, and you introduce us to some pushing pages. That's why it's good for Putin to put a in your nose. I have to love this, you know, to put a in your nose. So guys, you know, this person is angry, you know, is not happy at all, guys. This person okay, we're gonna look another reviews, guys. You know, look at this 2.3 out of 5-star reviews. Not good at all. This person from India, I've been trying to contact them for payment of $1,500, but this person earned $1,500 using Payout Project, but their given email ID is not reachable. The address is not found. Email could not deliver it, while the prompt on the page says the prompt of $1,500 will be processed on the same day. Neither the link of the payment is processed. This person earned $1,500, but they're never able to withdraw. Let's look at this one. Please, I need the money to pay my bills, to feed my family. I got $1,500. You payout project won't pay my money. I need help. This person made $1,500 also and also never get paid. Okay, this person is needing help. You never get paid, brother. This is a scam website. You wasted your time. That money is a fake on a despot. It's not a real money. This person from India, I think totally a waste of time. They sabotage us, actually. They make us stupid. The site email address and totally fake, don't exist. How can Google allow them? I don't know. Immediately ban the site from the internet. That's true. This kind of website should be banned from the internet, guys, because these are the fake website, guys. Okay, completely fake. Email does not work. All they need is people information. That is why they want to use your own personal data to sell them, guys. Okay, be aware of this website. I'm just gonna read this one, guys. So I wasted a lot of time and they got a lot of traffic to their link for free. What a scam. What a scam. People really need to be paid and need the money to pay bills. This person, guys, made $800, but they never get paid anything. Just be aware of these fake website, guys. Just be aware. Please stay away. You're not gonna make any money from this kind of website, guys. If you want to get my number one recommendation to make money from home, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video. I will send you my number one recommendation to